Alright guys, I gotta admit it's been way too long since I last posted a video. Anyways, thank you for gonna get hopefully back into it, and as you can see, I did get a computer now. You can't really quite see that well, this is tinted glass. But yes, I finally did get a computer, which means hopefully a lot better quality and better games. And I already have a few ideas. There'll probably be a video going out tonight, possibly. And just so you know, my videos are going to be closer to live streams because I do not have like any money for any editing software, because the job that I have been working at, which is not a reason why I haven't been able to upload too much, kind of sucks and doesn't pay me crap, and it took me like almost maybe 10, a little less than 10 months to save up for this, and even still, I don't even have a graphics card. Not sure if you can see down in there, but all you can see is I just have that PCIe adapter thing down there, which I plug in. There you go. I only have that PCIe customization port. I don't know what you really want to call it. PCI Express, I think is what they're called. Which is just for my internet, because the Wi-Fi router is downstairs, and yeah, can't get an Ethernet connected up to this yet. And that brings me to this too. I did try getting an Ethernet, or not an Ethernet, a Wi-Fi repeater. That didn't work out. It's too late to turn it back now, so I'm probably gonna be selling it sometime soon. Also, you'd probably see this. This is a dumb mistake of mine. I got a bad motherboard. Well, I didn't get a bad motherboard. I got the wrong motherboard. And it's actually for an 8th gen processor, and like I said, I didn't have much money. And I originally bought an 8th or 7th gen processor. If you're wondering, I'll just kind of go through my specs right now. So my processor is an i5 7600K, and I'm using a I think it's a B250 PCMate MSI motherboard. Don't quote me on that. I'm not quite sure on the chip. But, and then I have an Ago, I have an Ago air cooler. It's pretty good. I have some Viper memory, 8 gigabytes each. As you can see, my wiring's not really the best in there. Well, I can't really quite see too much. But yeah, it's not the best, because once again, I was cheap. Bought a cheap power supply. It wasn't modular. Cords are super small, can't wire them back through. I put as many wires as I could through. And this is also a View 31 Thermaltake case. RGB fans came with it. Pretty good deal. That is, I believe it was a 650 watt or 750 watt power supply. I got a 1 terabyte WD Blue hard drive. And let's see what else I had in here. I think that's basically it. I don't have an SSD yet, or like I said, I also don't have a graphics card yet. Didn't quite have enough money for those. And the monitor that I'm using is an old HP monitor that I had probably about 10-ish years ago. It's probably I think it's when it was bought. It wasn't bought for me. But yeah, I also have keyboard and mouse down there, as you can see. And yeah, I suppose I should probably power it up. I also got a printer, really old printer too. Doesn't really like to work either. Anyways, so let's power it up and let's kind of show you what it is. As you can see, I like RGB. That's just kind of what I am. And also, just wait. No, yeah, gotta go extra headphones too, which means that there will be audio, probably not the best audio, and there's keyboard and mouse too. So it probably won't be the best audio in the world, but it's audio. And as you can see, if you pay attention to my charger, I also got a new phone. That was quite a while ago too. So videos, if I do take any videos on my phone, they will be a little bit better, which I probably won't. This is probably gonna be one of the rare videos that come from my phone. But yeah. And as of right now, as you can see, I did not actually buy a product key for Windows. I just burned the ISO file into it. or I burned the ISO, or I downloaded the ISO file from the Microsoft website on a USB drive, and I downloaded it through that way, booted up through, I booted through it, and that's how I got Microsoft on here. If you're wondering how to do that, there's many tutorials if you don't have the money at the moment to get Windows, but you really need it. The one downside though is you can't do any customization with this. That's also why I have this background too, because when I did update the BIOS, yeah, it put that as my default screensaver, and I can't change it because I can't customize it. So anyways, hopefully I'll be posting another video soon, and yeah, just get rid of my Discord. So yeah, see or talk to you guys soon.